So you're looking to make a move to the Charlotte area and you're looking specifically for 55 plus active adult communities. Well, in this video, I'm going to be showing this absolutely stunning one-story true ranch homes built by Toll Brothers. Now, Toll Brothers is one of the premier semi-custom builders. They're pretty much in most states across the US. So regardless of where you're tuning in from, I'm going to take a guess and think that you've probably heard of Toll Brothers, but not a lot of people are aware that Toll Brothers actually has a 55 plus active adult community product line. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you this premier subdivision that just broke ground in Indian Land, South Carolina, which is about 5 minutes away from Ballantyne. It's about 2 minutes away from Fort Mill, 10 minutes away from downtown. So you are so close to Charlotte, but you are out of the city limits a little bit, so you can avoid all that hustle and bustle. And if we haven't met before and this is the first time to my channel, firstly, I want to just say thank you and welcome you. My name is Dean Hardy. I'm a local realtor. I get calls, text messages, and emails every single day from people like you that are looking to make a move to the Charlotte area, and I absolutely love it. So go ahead and reach out to me. I'm going to put my contact information here below. I would love to help you and your family make a nice, smooth move to Charlotte, North Carolina. All right, let's go ahead and check this product out. So the William is a 3-bedroom, 3 full bath house. It's around 2,500 square feet, but this product is customizable. So if you wanted to go ahead and add the second level, a loft area, you could do that, which will bump it up an additional 600 square feet roughly, which would include another bedroom upstairs, a loft area, and a full bathroom. So you have that option. But just look when you come in this entranceway, it's built on a 50-foot lot. So you're gonna have that nice wide feel in the house. We've got the 10-foot ceilings, and all throughout this house is 8-foot doors. So if it feels huge, that's the reason why it is. So when you're coming in the front door, which is right behind me here, immediately on my right, which is your left, we're gonna go ahead and go into the very first bedroom. It's at the front of the house, so it's separated nicely. Perfect if you've got older kids coming in or younger grandkids staying for the weekend. It's a really nice size space. Great size bedroom. Take a look at these windows. They are floor, almost to ceiling windows, which lets not a lot of natural light in here. You've got your walk-in closet, and you've also got a bathroom here as well. It is a full bathroom, no bathtub, but it does have a shower. So you've got some awesome flooring that comes in here. You got a nice vanity and a really nice finished tiled shower in there. So it's great. It's connected right to this bedroom. So again, if you've got some people coming in out of town, this could be a good spot. And I like this because it's separate from the rest of the house. So you do get you do offer your guests some privacy in there. Now, as we're coming down this main corridor here on the hallway, should I say, you've got bedroom number 2. I'm going to pre-warn you that this is set up as more of a crafts room, not really as a bedroom, but you can use your imagination when you come in here. So as you can see, it's slightly smaller. You got your built-in closet over there. You'd probably struggle to get anything more than a queen size bed in here, but again, it's a great space. Side of the house, nice window in here. No bathroom. Really like that wallpaper though. Looks really cool. Now what's nice about this bedroom is this one shares the bathroom for the rest of the house. So if you've got some entertaining, this is the bathroom that all your friends, families would be using if they're coming around for dinner, drinks, happy hour, and this incredible backyard that we're gonna get to here in a little bit. But as you can see, you got nice vanity, tiled flooring in this, and a shower. Again, full bathroom in here, really, really nice. On the left-hand side over here, you've got a cloak closet, and that's also gonna have your electrical components in there. So your Wi-Fi is coming in over there, your internet, you can have your security system. This is where it all comes in. Now I'm gonna do a quick turnaround so I can give you a quick flash of what's to come. But before we get there, I wanna just show you this home office area. Now this does come standard with French doors. They've taken it off for the model house. But as you can see, it's been set up as a home office, but you could quite easily, if you wanted more of a formal dining room, you could use this room as a formal dining room. Again, it's just modeled out as a home office. Nice space over here. Now let's go ahead and check this kitchen out. Look at the size of this. You've got wall-to-wall cabinets all over on the back side of the house. I just love this right here. So you've got quartz countertops, but they have the waterfall style. And if you're not familiar with what waterfall is, it's the countertop on the top and the sides coming down. So it just gives it that really luxury feel in here. You've got this nice, what have we got? 6-burner gas appliance over here. You've got the white shaker cabinets over here. Double sink in here, 10-inch depth as well, so great. You've got all the stainless steel packages over here, the double oven over here, and just look how it just continues all the way through over here. Love this countertops, look really good. And this is an option, but if you go ahead and do this, it really brings this entire kitchen and dining area together. So this is gonna be your formal dining area. As you can see, that's a 9-foot table, and you could get bigger space in there. So if you don't want to use the home office area that's set up as a formal dining room, you're gonna have a lot of space for entertaining over here. Now just check the size of this island out. So they've got 4 bar stools, nice overhang on there. So this could be an area as well where you can just hanging out with your friends, opening up to the rest of the house. Just truly, truly a stunning floor plan. Now, before we get going out into the rest of the house, I just want to give you a little tour of this area. So again, you're going to see this double oven. Here is a nice little entranceway. They've got it set up here, designed pretty nice, but you could build a drop zone if you wanted. Here is the pantry. It looks kind of more like a closet, the way they've got the shelving in there, but it looks really nice. And of course, the laundry area right over here. Transition in flooring, so we now go to tile. You've got the washer dryer over here, white shaker cabinets in here, and there's a sink in there, which a lot of people really like in here. All right, so let's go ahead and now move on. Question for you guys. What do you guys think to those pendulum lights? They are really cool. I haven't seen anything like that recently. I really like them, but go ahead and drop a comment below. Let me know what you think about this. So here again is this huge table. Just look at the size of it. A lot of space in here. Now let's go ahead and check out the living area. So you've got the 2 windows over here. Of course, you've got a wall of windows over here. So just see how much natural light is coming in. You've got the built-in cabinetry over there. My favorite feature though in this entire living area is this fireplace. You've got the brick build-up all the way from floor to ceiling. You've got the, I didn't even mention this, check out the ceilings in here. You've got the beams that have been painted in here. So it's got that exposed beam look. Looks really great. Huge sectional couch. This area, actually it's not a sectional, it's just 2 couches over there. It could be a sectional. A lot of space in here. You could put the sectional in here for sure, but I actually like it the way it is like that. Looks cool. Missed that when it came in. I thought it was a sectional. All right, so here we go. Now let's look at the outsides. A little spoiler alert, we'll get to that in a minute. Check out the primary owner suite. Love the wall color. It's the iron ore, very popular. The ceiling carries on in here with the exposed beam. It's on a tray ceiling over here. Huge bed, California king for sure. Lots of furniture, designed real nice. You've got that nice light fixture. Of course, this is the model, so we do know it's wired for surround sound. Or not surround sound, it's wired for sound. The speakers throughout the house, so you could use that. Not a lot of people do that anymore. It's really, I only see it in the models. The Bluetooth technology really has taken over. And now we go into the primary bathroom. We're going again, a transition from the flooring. We've got nice tile in here. One thing I like about this is just check this window out over here, and you've got the 2 sinks. One's over here, the his and hers. But my favorite feature in all of this is this shower. It's absolutely ginormous. Custom glass there as well, nice tile finish. You've got the walk-in shower. I'm gonna walk in like I'm taking a shower, which I'm not. Here's where you can go ahead and sit down, take a load off. You've got some nice built-ins. You've got the taps over here. There is a feature that you can add, so if you wanted the rain head coming down, you could do that. But let's look at this space in here. You could sit on that perch. You could think about your life and all the decisions that you made. This is a great place to go ahead and take a load off for the rest of the day. And we've got 2 cabinets. You don't have cabinets. We have 2 linen closets on either side of here. And then of course we have the walk-in closet. Nice design feature in here. Lots of space in here. Flooring as well. You've got the same wood flooring as you do all over. So this is a really nice bathroom. And I don't see too many bathrooms that have the windows like this. It lets a lot of natural light. Of course, you're going to need to put curtains or blinds up there just for privacy reasons, but this is a really nice space and its location is ideal. You're right off the dining area, coming straight back out into the living room, but it's separate from those other two bedrooms that are further down. Let me go ahead and back up so you can see these again. Just look how wide that hallway is, really wide. And that's where you're starting to see that 50-foot lot. You're starting to see things that aren't as narrow, but more width in it. So it looks really good. So if you go all the way down there, as you can see, that's where those other bedrooms are. So you've got a lot of privacy on here. Really nice. All right, let's go ahead and check out outside. All right, so I got my sunnies on because it's a really bright day. But before I show you the additional hardscape package that they put on, I just want to show you what kind of comes standard with it. So when you buy this floor plan, the William floor plan, should I say, you're going to have these nice beams over here, and you're going to have this area that you could keep as is, or you can enclose it if you wanted to do the screened in porch kind of lot. But just as is, this is how it comes. So you can easily get a nice area for some outdoor dining. You're going to have some concrete slabs out here. And over here, you've got some space that you can go ahead and put a couch. But I really like what they did over here. Let me get so you can see it. They've put a TV and they've done the fireplace out over here. So there's no real reason to go ahead and add on to this unless you wanted to. I really like that they put the travertine tiles down there, which is better than the concrete slabs. But other than the fireplace, you got a nice TV, but this is how it would look. And I'll show you some of the things on here because you do have a brick elevation on the front and you do have hardy board siding as well. Now, let me just show you this area again. This is optional, but it's absolutely fantastic. So this area right over here is the hardware package. So you've got an additional television out here, seating area, you've got a bar area with a grill, you got a wine fridge over there. So you could be hanging out here with your friends, having a nice happy hour. The husband's over there grilling some burgers and some dogs or some chicken, whatever you like. And then of course you can have the game on over here. You could be doing a lot of entertaining. The grandkids could be running all around here. Now here is my favorite piece. It might surprise you because that's pretty impressive, right? But this is my favorite piece over here. Do we have any golfers out here? Any golfers watching this channel? Go ahead and like this channel, give me a thumbs up. This is going to improve your putting game tremendously. And they've got a nice little putting green on the side. So this whole outdoor living area is just so usable. It is incredible. I just love it. If I'd have known they had this here, I'd have bought my clubs and pause this video for a little bit and try to work on my game because it is definitely needs working on. But this is just a nice area. Gives you an idea on what you can do with your space. Again, this is it's awesome, don't get me wrong. It is optional. To me, it's a bit of an overkill to have two TVs out here, but I understand why they did it, just to showcase what they can do out here. But even this area right over here is fantastic. Last but not least, let me go ahead and spin around because there is a little bit of grass area here. So if you do want a little bit of grass to mow, it's included in the HOA, which we'll talk about here in a second. But if you did want more of a green thumb, that's something you enjoy doing, planting, you could have that. And check out all these trees behind us. A lot of privacy. Can't beat this, right? What a beautiful, beautiful day here in the Carolinas. You'll be sitting out here enjoying yourself. All right, let's go inside. I'm going to tell you where we are, some pricing information, and the HOAs. All right, so we are located at the Pines at Sugar Creek. Toll Brothers is going to be the only builder that's built in here. Now, before I talk about the HOA and the pricing, I just wanted to ask a favor from you. And of course, if you're a giving person, would you go ahead and subscribe and like to this channel? You see, it tells YouTube's algorithm to push this content that I put out every single week out to more people like you. And that's my mission. That's my goal, is to help as many people move into the Charlotte area so we can make it nice and smooth for them. All right, so let me tell you a little bit about the HOA first. So it's going to have a clubhouse. It's going to have a pool. There's going to be 4 pickleball courts. There's going to be a bocce ball court. Now, it's not going to be complete into 2026. The plans are up. You can see the plans, but right now it's just a pile of dirt. So I've got nothing to show you other than the plans. It does look very impressive, and the cost is only $300 a month. Now, that does include your exterior landscaping as well. So guys, I'm talking to you right now. You're never going to have to touch a lawnmower, a weed eater, or a blower. They're going to mow your lawn. They're going to fertilize your lawn. They're going to trim your bushes. They're going to put down mulch for you during the season. So you're never going to have to do that. You could be chilling out right here, or better yet, in the backyard, and you could be watching everybody else do that work. Isn't that what the 55 plus active community is about? So, and it's only just over $300 a year. So you get a really, really good deal. So I just want to say thank you for watching this channel. If you're thinking about making that move here to the Charlotte area, whether it's in the inland or another suburb in and around of Charlotte, I'm going to actually put a link to a video right up here, which is for Griffith Lake, which is another 55 plus active community here in the Charlotte area. And of course, it's built by Toll Brothers. But go ahead and reach out to me. I'm going to go ahead and put my contact information below. I would love to connect with you and learn a little bit about what you're trying to accomplish and make a nice, smooth move for you and your family. Until the next video, I'm going to see you around town, and God bless.